Uned 26. Cyfarwyddiadau. Giving and following instructions are an integral part of any school setting. And it's important that you are able to confidently use key instructions when talking to one child and when addressing a group of children too. We have learnt different instruction forms in other units. And in this unit, we'll be building on previous learning. You'll remember that some singular instructions end with a, and some plural instructions end with uch. Let's look at some of those now. Sefa yma, Harry. Stand here, Harry. Sefwch mewn rhes, bawb. Stand in a row, everyone. Cama i'r chwith, Leila. Step to the left, Leila. Camwch i'r dde, blant. Step to the right, children. Tafla'r bêl yn uwch, Tom. Throw the ball higher, Tom. Taflwch y pelin is, blant. Throw the balls lower, children. You can also use de when speaking to one child and eich when speaking to more than one, as both mean your, to signify something belongs to them. Coda dy fraich, Sarah. Lift your arms, Sarah. Dewisa dy liw, Leila. Choose your colour, Leila. Codwch eich breichiau, blant. Lift your arms, children. Dewiswch eich bagiau ffa, bawb. Choose your beanbags, everyone. Keep practicing these new instructions and your fluency and your confidence will grow. Pob hwyl!